trouble. What do you mean by that?
What? Is that funny?
What birds drink?
What do birds drink?
Beer.
Aw. Were you drinking last night?
Robert. Keswick.
You're going to Keswick.
McGriddles.
McGriddles, is that what you want?
Oreo.
Oh, here we go again.
You like birdie egg?
I like birdie eggs.
0.
You know,
McGriddles.
McGriddles? Is that funny?
McGriddles.
McGriddles?
You like birds?
You like the birds? Stinker. You're a dove.
And the dove.
It's a dove. Where's the dog? It's a watchdog. Are you a wildcat?
Meow.
It's a wildcat.
Hot dog.
Hot dog?
0.
0.
0.
0.
You going to the store?
What are you gonna get?
Grapes, corn,
What else?
Oreo.
Orioles? What else? You forgot your store list. Where's Creepy?
Roast.
You're gonna sing.
Right?
You're singing opera, right?
You're smart.
You're a smarty.
Oreo.
Orioles. Give me a kiss. I love you. Call the dog.
Are you gonna help?
That's an owl. That's a dove. Right?
Robert.
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 Who's Robert? You're fart. McGriddles.
Right, baby.
Is that what you want? You want to go get McGriddles? Whistle your song. No. Birds whistle. Hello. Good morning.
Are you a train?
Are you a train?
Choo-choo.
You're smart.
You want to watch Marty?
You want to watch Marty? Thought you were talking.
Oreo.
Orioles. Good morning.
Robert.
You gotta clear your throat? Do you have a cold? You have a cold. Teko's got a cold.
Raspberry juice.
What?
Creepy in the car.
Creepy's in the car.
And Keswick.
He went to Keswick.
Oreo.
Orioles. Is that funny?
McGriddle. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing, honey?
What are you doing, honey? You're a chicken.
McGriddles. You going to train?
You're going on the...
Choo-choo.
You're on a roll this morning.
That's a train.
You're all wound up, right?
Grandma up.
Grandma's up.
Red corn. It's crab and corn.
What are your colors?
And Keswick.
What are your colors?
What the monkey?
What's a monkey? That's a dog. What's a monkey? No, that's a dove. What's a monkey? You know what they are. What's a monkey? What's a monkey? Teko, what's a monkey? You gonna go to your tree?
Daddy go on the train.
Daddy's going on the train. Okay. Get some.
Helps.
Right?
Creepy's in trouble.
Creepy's in trouble.
It's great to stop.
What? Hey. Go on paper. You do that all. Hey. Teko. You're a bad boy.
Robert.
Go to your tree.